Season 5 Episode 11. Tamir Brown's second clone disables Titanic's iPad / grounded. Why does Titanic keeps posting to YouTube channel? What should I do? I know, I'm going to disable Titanic's iPad, so he will never post videos to YouTube. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's go to Titanic's house. When Tamir Brown's second clone got to Titanic's house. Okay, here's his house. Let's go in. Okay, the coast is clear. Okay, here's his iPad. Now let's type the wrong passcode too many times. Okay, now time to get out of here.
Alright, I'm going to post the Golden Tank Saga best scenes. I'm going to get my iPad. What the? Oh no, my iPad has been disabled for 1 minute. I don't know who did this. I'm going to check the cameras. Okay, I'm going to check the cameras. Oh my god, it was Tamir Brown's clone who did this. I'm going to call his dad right now.
Hello.
Hello, Course. I'm calling you because Tamir Brown's clone disabled my iPad. Can you ground him?
Okay, I will ground him. Goodbye. Tamir Brown's second clone. How dare you disable Titanic's iPad? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 1 week. Go to your room right now.
Wow. Thanks for watching.